Introducing Tenex, the world's first vision-based AI tennis ball machine. It's the ultimate smart tennis coach and partner. Tenex is basically a tennis ball serving robot with amazing features. It can automatically serve tennis balls so a player can practice hitting and returning the ball. You can even control Tenex with just your voice by using a controller strapped to your wrist. The robot can scan the entire tennis court as well as the player, so it can deliver balls with pinpoint accuracy. In fact, the Tenex can launch balls up to 75 miles per hour. Say what? You can even control Tenex with simple hand and arm gestures that the robot can recognize or customize your practice with the smartphone app. But the coolest feature involves putting Tenex in rally mode. In this mode, the robot will move all around the tennis court by itself, launching balls as if you were really playing against another person. But how do astronauts prepare for their journeys? Well, that's where the Lunar Analog Facility comes in. Imagine a giant sandbox, but instead of sand, it's filled with a unique volcanic powder that actually looks and feels like the moon's surface. But don't worry, unlike regular volcanic ash, this powder helps keep the Earth clean since it doesn't produce any harmful emissions. The Lunar facility is located in Germany and is over 7,500 square feet wide. That's bigger than 1.5 basketball courts. Whoa! Not only does Lunar Facility allow astronauts from all over the world, including NASA, to practice walking on the moon, but they can also test out cool robots and even figure out how to grow food in space. Luna includes special lights to make the facility light up like day and night. They even have a gravity offloading system that makes it feel like you're floating a little bit, just like the astronauts will on the moon. How cool is that? Meet Sun Dong, the largest cave in the world. Located in Vietnam, Sun Dong is like its own little world, stretching over 5 miles long and occupying a total volume of over 1.3 billion cubic feet. That's enough to fit a small city. Any visitor is likely to find themselves shrouded in mist, traversing a river, or even gazing up at clouds and sunlight. That's right, Sun Dong has its own weather system as well as 2 skylights, allowing the sun to shine on through into this underground wonder. Sunlight plays an important role in the development of microorganisms, plants, and trees, which have grown into a mini rainforest. This aircraft is like a tiny flying car, and you don't even need a pilot's license to buy it. Imagine zooming around in your own personal airplane. The Jetson 1 flies pretty fast too, reaching a speed of 63 miles per hour. That's as fast as a sprinting cheetah. The aircraft also uses a 166-pound battery that allows it to stay in the air for 20 minutes before it needs to recharge. But how do you fly the Jetson 1 aircraft without a pilot's license? Well, the Jetson 1 has a smart computer that makes it easy for beginners to fly. You just have to hold one handle, which lets you go easily up, down, left, or right. It's so simple, almost anyone can learn to fly in less than 5 minutes. The Jetson 1 is designed to make everyone feel like a pilot. Yes, sir! Where do I sign up to drive that thing?